Alright, my friends, let's keep it real as realism can get. According to my opinion, e-bikes, in my opinion, are fucking dumb. E-bikes are stupid. They are dumb. After reviewing and going through tons of these promotional e-bike videos, I don't know what the fuck to call these videos, but in my opinion, e-bikes are fucking stupid. I looked into them, I researched them. As far as my opinion goes, owning an e-bike is one of the stupidest things anybody can do. And that's my opinion, predicated on the reality that, according to my opinion, e-bikes are fucking dumb. Everything about e-bikes is fucking dumb. It really is fucking dumb. Think about this. I was researching about e-bikes and I came across this e-bike company. Supposedly they are like the luxury of e-bikes, and I saw an e-bike for $8,000 fucking dollars. $8,000 fucking dollars. And I also saw another e-bike, which was like a super luxurious e-bike, for $12,000 fucking dollars. $8,000 to $12,000 seems to be like the luxury brand. You gotta have that luxury. But what the fuck are you getting for your luxury? I also had done some more research. There are like bikes in that $500 range. You can spend up to like $500 to $2,500 to $3,500, $5,000, all the way up to $12,000 fucking dollars for a stupid fucking e-bike. A stupid fucking e-bike. E-bikes, like I said, in my opinion, are fucking stupid. They are fucking stupid. If you buy one, I think you're not in touch with reality, according to my opinion. E-bikes are fucking dumb. I don't care what anybody says. E-bikes are fucking dumb. And let me explain to you why e-bikes are fucking dumb. Check this out. This will shock your mind into reality. I actually own a Honda scooter. I own the Ruckus. I paid $2,899, right? Gas capacity is like 1.5 gallons. And with my Ruckus scooter, which I paid $2,899 for, right? I get more range, I get tons of mileage, okay? I could surpass any stupid e-bike. And I don't have to worry about where I am allowed to go on the road. I can pretty much go anywhere I want to, because it's technically a vehicle, okay? Okay? I actually own this. I ride scooters, okay? Can an e-bike do what I can do with my scooter? Hell fucking no, in my opinion. Okay, just look it up for yourself. What is the average range of these stupid e-bikes? Upon my research looking into these stupid e-bikes, the most you can get on a single charge, a full 100% charge, you can get 1.5 to 2 hours of drive time on full throttle. That's it. It doesn't matter if you're paying $8,000, $12,500, $2,500, $3,500, $5,000. You name your fucking price. The technology of the batteries themselves are pretty much all the fucking same. You're not getting a lot of range. Like I said, 1.5 to 2 hours of range. That's it. Once the battery shuts down, you're fucking done. You're gonna have to carry that thing home. You're gonna have to drag it. You're gonna have to walk it home. That's all you're fucking getting. Okay? That's all you're fucking getting. And also, a lot of these stupid e-bikes are very fucking heavy. The average regular bike is 35 to 40 pounds, depending on what type of bike you have. Mountain, road, gravel, crossover, whatever you name it. The average regular bike does not weigh 70 pounds or even 80 pounds. Some of these stupid bikes, these e-bikes, they are like heavy. How the fuck are you gonna drag a 70-pound stupid e-bike home when the battery runs out? You're gonna be left fucking stranded. So you're always fighting your hours of range and your mileage. There's no fucking way these dumb e-bikes, in my opinion, can outperform me in my scooter. I don't have to worry about my range. I don't have to worry about my distance. I don't have to worry about my comfort. It's 1.5 gallons of gas. I put that shit in and I'm ready to rock. I can go anywhere. I never have to worry about is my battery running down. And also, upon looking at and reviewing these stupid e-bikes, I realized one thing. The longer you own the e-bike, it has like a, what do you call it, an expiration date. Those fucking batteries eventually, they stop like charging to full range and you're never gonna get the same range you once had. So over the years, the battery declines, it declines. You can't get the same range, you can't get the same charge like you once did when it was new. And guess what? You have to spend thousands of dollars to replace this stupid battery. So in the long term, those dumb e-bikes, in my opinion, those dumb e-bikes, they are bad for like your return on investment, right? With my scooter, I only fill it up with gas. I can go like 80 to 100 miles if I take care of it correctly on a single, 1.5 gallons of gas. And I don't have to worry about any of this shit that e-bikers have to worry about. I don't have to worry about the degradation of my fucking battery. Then I have to end up, spending thousands of dollars just to replace a dumb fucking battery. You're not getting much for your return on investment when you buy these dumb e-bikes. You don't have to be an Ivy League graduate like me. I studied economics, okay, at an Ivy League university. I'm Ivy League, so that means I am like the top 1% of like humanity, intelligence-wise. I'm too smart for these dumb e-bikes. That's the whole point. I am too smart for these dumb e-bikes. Anybody that studied basic economics realizes that these dumb bikes is nothing more than a money pit. Way, way, way too many cons and pros, okay? There's way too many cons than pros. They're too expensive, they're too heavy, your range is very, very limited, you don't get enough hours of like play. You have to be fully charged, and the average range and the average mileage you get out of these dumb fucking things, you are not beating a gas-powered scooter. You're not gonna fucking make it. That's why they're stupid. They're a money pit of stupidity. I would never, ever, ever buy any of these stupid e-bikes. It's stupid. E-bikes are fucking dumb. They're dumb. Calls for e-bike safety grow after child critically hurt in Carmel Valley crash. NBC 7 San Diego. This is from like 2 days ago. I don't care what you say. Teen dies in OC e-bike crash 6 days ago. It's not only that, it's that because your return on investment is very, very, very abysmal. Very, very abysmal. It's stupid to buy an e-bike. In my opinion, if you want real, how should I say? If you want real transportation, without all the worries about the battery dying, and without all the worries about like your range cutting you off and your time of mileage cutting you off. If you want real transportation, you get yourself a Honda scooter like I did. Okay, that's what you do. And the crazy part about all this e-bike garbage nonsense, in my opinion, is my Honda Ruckus cost a fraction of the price of what they paid for their stupid e-bike, and they don't even get the same range I get. They could never outperform me. on the road. Okay, that's the reality. That's how stupid e-bikes are. They are the worst when it comes to return on investment. They are a money pit of problems. And you never ever get the type of range that you want. Okay, that's my opinion on it. They are like the worst type of like transportation vehicles. E-bikes are dumb. That's it. Don't be stupid.